Hello and welcome. We're here at the Washington County Fairgrounds in Washington, Pennsylvania. We won a whole bunch of stuff on an online auction. Well, Sarah won a whole bunch of stuff
What's up, yo?
on an online auction. So we're gonna go pick those things up and we'll show you what we got. Should be a short video, but you know, fun anyways.
So fun.
Yeah, it should be fun.
So super fun!
We're gonna go pick it up from this barn right here.
The rabbit barn.
Right there.
It's literally the rabbit barn.
It looks a little sketch, but there are porta potties, so that's good.
We're picking it up from the rabbit barn.
Yeah, it's the Rabbit Barn, Exhibit Hall 5. The Washington County Fairgrounds. Yeah. See you in a bit. Never took a left. Oh, I got a cart with a jack of wheels.
Oh my god, oh my god. Ew, this looks terrible.
Going to pick up our stuff. Look how excited Sarah is.
I'm excited. I'm going to pick up my drum. I did get really good deals.
Yeah.
I got 31 items.
We're getting 31 items.
Okay.
Out of
I've
the
never done this before.
Rabbit Barn.
So I don't know if you just got to go around in bags and pick it up, or you show them your invoice and they help you. I have no idea how this happens.
Yeah, I don't know how this works. Probably not gonna film in there. That would be rude, but we're going to the Rabbit Barn to get our stuff. We'll show you what we got. Here's our stuff. Right here. Some cool stuff. We'll break it all down for you in a little while. All right. Here is the hall. Right here. And that down there. So, here's what we got. Starting with this train here. The Diesel Hustler. It's worth about 50 bucks, believe it or not. Never been out of this box. So, the plastic that was on it was all shredded, so we just took it off because it's just making it look a lot worse. So, and then we got some Mr. Potato Head talking electronic game. We got two of these still in the packaging. Then we got Captain Power. Captain Power's laser gun. These are worth about $50 new in the box. Never been opened. It's still glued actually over there. And then we got this mobile phone toy. Not sure of the value on that. Probably not much, but it was with a bunch of other stuff. Got a old talking telephone and answering machine. Gotta make this is a Monopoly game. It was in with a bunch of other stuff. This other game up here that we wanted, so we ended up with it. It's from 1999, so it's not really all that valuable. And there's a tractor trailer vintage toy down there. Haven't looked that one up yet, but it is die cast, so it'd probably be worth a decent amount of money. This is the game we wanted to end up coming with the Monopoly game. This is a Power Ranger Super Samurai game. So Power Ranger stuff sells really well. I think we looked that up. It's going to be what, 40 bucks or something like that?
It's not much, but like probably at least 25.
25 bucks for that little guy. I think we got the games. Well, I'll tell you at the end of how much we paid for all this. Then we got another Captain Power. This is the Interlocker. You can actually play on your television.
Oh, I didn't know that.
That's actually worth like 50 bucks as well.
Fascinating.
And we got the Transparent Woman here. It was on Ollie's price tag.
Yeah.
What are these selling for?
I have no idea.
Oh, okay. We don't know how much it is.
I just got it because it was cheap. I think I paid maybe like $5 or $6 for it.
Yeah, so probably 20 bucks for that little guy would be my guess. And then we got these Mega Force toys over here, and they were lotted in with a bunch of other toys, and we didn't know how much they were worth until we looked them up. each one of these is worth about $20, $25.
Yeah.
There's Tiger. So yeah, this is $60 right there. Then we got some windshield cleaning something or other. No idea what those are.
They're windshield wonders.
Windshield wonders.
Yeah, to clean your windshields.
Yeah, whatever that is. And then this vintage aerators toy here. Haven't looked that up yet, but could be worth a decent amount of money. We got a Gumby for a friend of ours. These are a couple knives right here. And then, look at that.
Micro machines.
Sealed micro machines. This one alone is worth $50 right here. Well, between 50 and 80 right there. So, and this one's probably worth somewhere around the same. The Dick Tracy one's not really worth
anything.
all that much. Believe it or not. But still sell. Then we got this Music Major kids toy. It's never been out of this plastic. This is actually the plastic from the box. It actually has the safety instructions on the back. The box must have just been really damaged. But these are what, 70, 75?
I don't know if they're that much. I'd say like out of the box, maybe like 40.
So $40. We paid like $5 for it. So there's a little microphone and everything. We got these signs. Paid $1 a piece for them. They're not vintage
Reproductions.
They are reproductions.
But they're like for $1? How can you say no to that?
And yeah, so those signs. And then we got these two things. We're not sure if they're going to be worth that much money or not, but they are Walt Disney
They're not
branded.
in very good shape.
So, but they are in pretty rough shape, but we're going to try. And then that's it. Sarah got some dolls. So
These are for my own personal
these will haunt your dreams at night.
collection. Oh, look at her. Yeah. She is gorgeous.
Yeah.
And this one here, I've never seen anything like this. This one's especially frightening. Is it not? Do you not love this?
Yeah, so, if you guys want some nightmares tonight,
So I got these two for myself.
Enjoy. And that's about it. That's our haul from today, guys. Hope you liked it. We're doing a lot more of this, so now that we're full time, we can go and pick these things up, because the pickup times are normally like noon to 4 on a Monday. So, yeah, we'll be doing a lot more of this. So, thanks so much for watching. If you haven't, subscribe to the channel. A lot more cool stuff. Oh, wait, we forgot something. We got a stupid mini shopping cart that Sarah got.
I didn't know. This came with something.
It came with something.
I did not purposely get this. But look at this. We're
going to take it to the bins with us next time.
Tell me this is not the cutest thing ever. I had no idea this was even going to be in there.
We're going to take it to the bins. We're going to take it to the bins next time we go. Anyways. Yeah, so subscribe to the channel. And that's about it. Like, comment, share. Bye.
Good day, sir!